Alright, ladies, let me gist you about something that happened to my friend Juliet. So Juliet's birthday was actually coming up. She started dropping hints for her husband before the D-Day. She was like, babe, do you remember my last year's birthday celebration? She would be like, wow, I can't believe that my birthday is next week, that kind of thing. She was just telling her husband, giving him hints, for him to be reminded of a special day, that kind of thing. And my friend was so excited, that kind of thing. Now your birthday is coming up. You'll be expecting, you'll be so excited. That's just it. When it comes to your birthday, you will be so excited, expecting one or two things, from your husband, from those around you. It's normal, Abby. And her husband now, men being who they are, we just say, he'll just shake his head. That kind of thing. He'll just be shaking his head. And my friend was like, maybe he's planning a surprise. And alas, the birthday came. Morning, nothing. In the afternoon, silence still. When she was telling me this, I was actually laughing. She was like, why are you laughing now? Is it funny? You think it's funny? Because it hasn't happened to you. I kept on laughing because who talking on? Now in there, no. Who don't talk? Nobody go know till the person they actually pass through. So she said, but according to her, she was like, maybe in the night, they will go for dinner dates. My friend dressed up, make her face up as my birthday girl where she be now. She dressed up, make herself up as per saying her D-Day be that, that kind of thing. Oga came back, still nothing. Not even happy birthday. Why I don't laugh? I know some people could say, why they laugh? Yeah, they pay my friend that they laugh. They couldn't allow me laugh.
Hello, you're welcome back to my channel. My name is Fizz and this is Savvy Life Coach channel, where we dive deep into personal growth, relationship advice and everything in between. So if you are looking for how to be the best version of yourself, improve your relationships, whether it's with family, friends, or that special someone, you are in the right place. I am telling you. And if you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button. By so doing, you won't miss any of my life-changing tips and tutorials.
So, like I was saying, she was forced to ask her husband. She said, babe, do you remember today is my birthday? And her husband said, is it today? Imagine. I don't even know why men always forget dates, They are so used to forgetting dates. But no be big thing. Make una know to the reason I'm abeg. If your husband dey forget special days like anniversaries, birthday, any special day for your life, no be only you dey that boat abeg. Make una know the best abeg. Make una know the best. So on a more serious note, ladies, have you been in that kind of situation? If a man has ever forgotten your birthday, anniversary, or even Valentine's, I just need you to drop a reaction for me in the comments now. Make we know how many of us dey that boat, as in that ship of people where then they forget their birthday. Make we know how many of us dey there, okay? So today we go fix that problem of our husbands, our guys, where they forget our birthdays, our special days, our anniversary, okay? Yes, it's a bit noisy here. I'm trying to get to a place where the noise will be less so that you guys can get everything I am saying. I'm actually in a park. I just came to relax myself, relax my brain, and allow the sweet breeze to touch me. I like it. I like this natural air. Okay, so I'm actually trying to get to a place where the noise won't be much so that we can continue our discussion. Today we are fixing this problem forever. I mean, the problem of our husbands not remembering our special days and all that, our anniversaries and even special days at what celebrating. Oga will say, oh, I forget, and they are too quick to say they are busy. Once a man tells you he's busy, there's nothing much you can do. Okay, so I will be giving us what I call the 4-step strategy to tackle this. I call it the 4-step strategy, and I want you to believe me when I tell you that I'm always talking to you from a place of experience. This works. As in, okay, let me see if I can sit here a bit. This works, okay? It works like magic. I call it the 4-step strategy, okay? The first step is for you to set him up for success. Set him up for success. Let's be sincere with ourselves on this. Some men forget things as if, in fact, they have PhD in forgetting things. It's their talent. You know, there is nothing much you can do about it. It's just in their DNA to always forget things. What you have to do is for you to help him out. Help him to remember, okay? So this is what I want you to do. Grab his phone, open his calendar, and cuckoo add the date inside by yourself. I beg, not to stress yourself, just add the date there. Put am for alarm. No shame, oh, because you know what you won't get, Abby. So there is no need of being ashamed. Do it, set it. Let there be a reminder for him a week before the birthday. At least that will give him enough time to plan, Abby. You should also set another reminder the night before the birthday. By so doing, he doesn't have to wake up clueless. At least the alarm go ring, he go check, he go no say, my wife birthday. No be so. And so now, like I see how they won't forget birthday again. He don't go work again, Abby. He don't go work again. Then another alarm. When you set another alarm on the day of the birthday. Gone. Yes, so my sister, if after you don't set all this alarm, Oga still tell you say you forget, then it's time for you to call your pastor. Yes, we need to carry out deliverance on your husband. Okay, if he tell you say, I still forget after all the reminders, you say you forget, now lie you. He go see pastor. He go see pastor now, deliverance straight ahead, and they tell you. So the next strategy is for you to use emotional triggers. You know why? It is because men remembers feelings and not dates. Men don't remember numbers, they remember emotions. I am telling you. So instead of just saying, babe, my birthday is next week, which I know that Oga will definitely forget, you can say something like, babe, do you remember the last time we celebrated my birthday together? Tell him, babe, you made that night special. I will never forget it. So now he has a reason to care. Yes, because you are connecting it to a happy memory. And so he's more likely to remember. So the next strategy is to make it a tradition, because habits stick. Men love routine. Experience has shown that men love routine. I want you to make your special dates part of a family tradition, okay? You can just tell him something like, babe, every year on our anniversary, we always take the kids out and have fun as family. You know, when something is a habit, it sticks better, isn't it? Before you will know it, he will be the one that will start reminding you. I know. Try it. Like I said earlier, I always say my things based on my own experiences. Okay, let's go to the fourth strategy, which is for you to reward him for remembering. Abi, a workman is how they put am? A workman is worthy of his wages. Abi, no be so. Whenever he remembers your special days, anniversaries, birthdays, without you reminding him, my sister, hype him, praise him. Tell him, babe, you don't have the idea of how you made me feel. I am feeling like a queen right now. You know, say something like that, okay? And guess what? Men love feeling appreciated, I'm telling you. Next time, he will try even harder. But there is one thing I want to tell you. So many ladies make some mistakes. Yes, there are some mistakes. You know, when we go about these things, if we don't go about it the right way, now you go come take blame last. Now you go come the blame. So there are some mistakes that ladies make, you know, when it comes to our husbands forgetting our special days, our special dates and our anniversaries and the likes. And I will be mentioning them now so that you will take notes and know what and what not to do. That is to say, some of us ladies set ourselves up for heartbreak. Please do not test your husband. I mean, don't test him by keeping quiet to see if he remembers. That era don't pass, my sister. The truth is that 99% of the time, Oga will not remember. And there you will be angry and you will feel disappointed. Is that what you want? I'm sure you don't want that. Another thing is, don't just drop hints. The truth is that most men don't read signs like women. They are logical beings, They don't go see the signs. Be clear and direct, my sister. Be clear and direct. And also, do not hold grudges against your husband. If this man is a good man and just forgets your special day once, there is no need to hold grudge, okay? All you got to do is to give him a chance to do what? To improve. Okay, that's said and done. Follow the 4-step strategy and see how your husband will start remembering your special dates. Remember to come and say thank you to me, okay? What's the worst experience you've had of a man forgetting your special dates? Let's talk about it. And if you found this video helpful and useful, remember to share it to someone that needs to see it, like and leave a comment for me. Okay, before I go, let's not be unfair. Some women also forget their husband's special dates, anniversaries and birthday. Yes, some women do. So, to all the men watching, don't worry, I've got your back. My next video will be about how to make your wife, your girlfriend, never forget your special day. Men, you don't want to miss that. Make sure you subscribe to this channel if you are not subscribed already, and turn on notifications so you don't have to miss it, okay? So ladies, if this video was helpful, like, share it with your friends, and do not forget to subscribe. Let's help all the ladies, all the wives, make their husbands more romantic. I'll be seeing you in the next one.